So as you can see, this is a workbook I created at the end of last year in term 4. I was looking at doing some reporting and wanted to keep a really good track of the kids' spelling results for each week and their end of term maths results for each of the different areas that I was interested in. To do this, I simply set it up by typing in all the names, some headings. I wanted a total average just to give me an idea of how they were going overall, total average in the spelling, a total average in the maths. To get the total average, I simply entered the formula equals sum, parentheses, and then put in the cells that it applied to, divided by the sum of these cells up here, which were the total that the spelling test was out of. Obviously I used the dollar signs there to keep those in place, as it was only these cells here that would change according to the students. Once I'd done that, then I went and changed the number to a percentage, got rid of the decimals, and copied it down so that the formula was the same for all the kids. Did the same thing for the maths, same formula using the cells that apply to that. To do that total average, this time the formula is equals average, and it's obviously just these two rows here. No dollar signs, as you know it would change for the students. So at the end of each week, when they'd done their spelling tests, I just simply went in and put in their results. It was a quick 5-minute activity, and it would give me a cumulative score of how they were going. Their maths results was entered at the end of the term. I colour coded it to make it easier to see, and I also formatted it into a table. By doing this, it allows me now to be able to sort and filter the data as I wish. At the moment I've sorted it according to A to Z, okay, so it's just in alphabetical order. However, if I wanted to go to the total average, okay, so how they're going overall, I might want to sort them from largest to smallest, okay, and then that sort of gives me a good idea of these kids here. I could do the same for the spelling, alright, obviously those names would change a bit, same for the maths. If I wanted to, I could look in week 5 and go, okay, you know, let's go from smallest to largest. Who did really sort of poorly, and how did that compare to the rest? Yep, so this was a really nice way to get rid of the paper mark book.